clear wrap on my suitcase. If you saw my last vlog, y'all know I got a new white one. We made it in without my babies. Grubbing, eating a Subway ham sandwich with Starbucks matcha. I like how they spell my name. Okay guys, so we checked in and we made it in, and now look at them making fun of me, laughing. Let me live my life. Our dogs can't come with us because they're too big for the carrier. For you to travel with your dog has to be able to stand up and like move around in the carrier. So they have to be way smaller than my dogs were. And so they said we can't take them. So like they have to be like service dogs. But yeah, so now we're waiting for our plane. It is 8:18. Maria. Okay, so we're at my grandma's house. She's redoing her house. So her house is a 1-story and then she started to build up upstairs. And so this is my room. I'm gonna show you guys a tour. I love it. It's so cute. So here's the entrance going in. Everything is still under construction as she's just started building the top part. You walk in the room and it's all white because she knows I love white. This is what it looks like. I love it so much, and she got like these little antique, like vintage paintings, and I love it. I think it would be perfect. I think it would be so cute with the vibe. Yeah, over here in this section, we're thinking maybe a vanity because I have like a little light right there. Super cute. Look at the lighting. I'm sweating because, you know, it's hot over here. Just wanted to show you guys my room here at the house. This house isn't finished yet. I'll catch y'all, I don't know when, I'll pick up the camera again. Because we're gonna be at my grandma's house for a while, just catching up with her, seeing her house, her projects here. Well, we wanted to see a waterfall, and it wasn't even that big. It was kind of tiny, so we were like, nah. This is the fit right now. Yeah, I got some fire pictures. Okay, so the river is called Rio Blanco. Forgot, I thought it was recording, but I wasn't recording. So if y'all want to come to the river in Belize, it's called Rio Blanco, White River in English. Hi boy! And then my dad's up there on the bridge. Okay, I gotta take pictures of him, but yeah, we're gonna go eat and then probably go back home and call it a day. That's nasty. Why you did light skin face? What the? The water has seaweed. Secret beach is #1. Go to Secret Beach, guys. Alright, so we're in Placencia. We came to swim. Oh, it might be breezy. Sorry, guys. Just FYI. But here's the sea. It has seaweed right here, but then it's very blue over there. But there's seaweed right here, and we can't get in the water. Well, we can, but there's seaweed. Dame just took pics of me. What are you doing? This audio might be kind of bad, but nice. I don't think it's working. Water looks good right here. Less seaweed. Hello, what's up, guys? It's been a couple of days. It is now Friday. I don't know when was last my vlog. I think it was for Placencia, but that was like 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. If y'all hear background noise, I'm so sorry. We came last Saturday and we spent that whole week with my grandma at her house, and now today we left about like 11 over there, and then we drove all the way to San Ignacio, Belize. We got to our resort, so we rented out a villa. It has villas and it has a hotel as well. So it has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the place that we rented out. It's very cute. I really love it. It's our first time staying here and it's so cute. We have a nice view. Look at the view. That's insane. So we're just gonna stay here for the night, and then tomorrow morning we're leaving to San Pedro, Belize, the island. We're gonna spend the whole next week on the island. This is the view. There's a bunch of little other villa huts, but this is the family one. This is what it looks like, and then up there is the hotel. And here's a little walkway to get down here. Come upstairs. And it has a nice little hammock. And like, I love this because mosquitoes are crazy here. And then here's the entrance to come in. It might be a little messy just because, you know, family. I just need to change the lighting a little bit, you know, but it's all good. And then here's like a, I guess like a little wash area. But they have a bathroom. And then here's 2 bedrooms. So this is my parents' room. It looks like this. My dad was laying down. What is this called? Like a little sheet thingy. And then they have a nice view from the patio. Here's my brother and I's room. It's very simple, just beds in here. I got my makeup and stuff already there. Just wanted to show you guys the room, or the villa that we rented.
Either way, they make it
Isaiah came! He's here on the island now. Isaiah, your favorite spot? Yeah. Why?
Because it's got everything. It's got a volleyball court. It's got kayak. It's got a bay. And you got the ocean over there. And the best part of all, hammocks. Oh. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's day 2 for Isaiah, and we're at Secret Beach. We just took some pics. I'll put them here on the screen. Next slide, wherever. Yeah, so today we're just gonna be chilling here at Secret Beach, getting dark, getting tanned, and we're matching our bathing suits. Must have pina colada and Belize. I swear they're so good. I'll update you guys whenever there's something going on. so there's no sun. The sun's over there. It's cloudy. Here's the pool, guys. Ready to go. We're ready to go. These are fits. He looks so good. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, get it. So we're going to another breakfast place instead of Mary's. That's closer to where we're staying at, and we're gonna try something new. So. Yo, let's get it.
There's a comatose heat level.
This is cute. Look at this. This is a good little gift. Always gotta make a stop at the souvenir shop. Hey, what are we doing in Belize? Don't even know.
I don't even know what date it is right now.
I don't even know what date it is. But we're at Secret Beach again. It's Thursday. And he's gonna... Yeah. There's big fish. Oh my god, it's right here. There's a big fish. I'm gonna see if I can get a clip from Isaiah's point of view. Oh, they're right here. See them? Scuba diving. What's scuba diving? No, we're gonna go snorkeling.
Oh yeah.
Stupid. I was like, wait. Okay, so we are back from the boat. Bro. Okay, that's 2 pimples and the rest are mosquito bites. Oh, go away. Oh, go away. Can't stress out about it. So I just showered. But we're about to eat at Truck Stop. It's our last night here. Tomorrow morning we're leaving, so I will film that because we are taking the mini plane from the island to the mainland. And yeah, this is the fit. White Fox Boutique and Paxton shorts.
Boarding pass?
Okay.
Could I have you next to the pilot up front, please?
Okay.
And then I'll need 3 of you on the Jeep.